Welcome, AI enthusiasts. The future of artificial intelligence is here, and it's called ChatGPT-5. Released by OpenAI on August 7, 2025, this groundbreaking model is redefining how we interact with AI. In this video, we'll dive into the incredible new features of ChatGPT-5 and explore why it's a game changer for everyone, from students to professionals. Let's get started. So, what makes ChatGPT-5 so special? It's OpenAI's most advanced model yet, combining the best of their previous technologies into one powerful system. Unlike older models, ChatGPT-5 uses a unified architecture, meaning it seamlessly blends multiple AI capabilities into a single, easy-to-use platform. Whether you're asking a question, analyzing an image, or coding an app, ChatGPT-5 has you covered. Let's break down the key features that make ChatGPT-5 stand out. First up, it has a unified system. This means it automatically chooses the best approach for your query, whether it's a simple question or a complex task. In the future, OpenAI plans to make it even more streamlined by integrating everything into one model. Even better, it offers smaller versions like GPT-5 Mini for free users who hit usage limits, ensuring everyone can access its power. Next, ChatGPT-5 brings advanced reasoning to the table. It can break down complex problems into steps, making it perfect for tasks like solving math problems, coding, or analyzing data. For example, it scored an impressive 94.6% on the AIME 2025 math benchmark and 88% on advanced coding tests. This means it's not just smart, it's expert-level smart. Another exciting feature is its multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT-5 can handle text, voice, images, and even potentially video, all in one place. Imagine uploading a chart and asking for an analysis, or using voice commands to get a summary. It's all possible. It scored 84.2% on multimodal understanding tests, making it a versatile tool for creative and technical tasks. Speed and efficiency? ChatGPT-5 has that covered too. It's faster and more efficient, delivering answers with 50 to 80% less processing effort than previous models. This means quicker responses, even for complex queries, and it can handle longer conversations without missing a beat. One of the biggest improvements is reduced errors. ChatGPT-5 is up to 80% less likely to make factual mistakes compared to earlier models, making it more reliable for research or decision-making. It's also more honest, recognizing when it doesn't know something, so you get trustworthy answers. For coders, ChatGPT-5 is a dream come true. It's the strongest coding model yet, capable of building websites, apps, and games from a single prompt. It excels at debugging large projects and even adds aesthetic flair to its creations. Developers, get ready to boost your productivity. Writers will love ChatGPT-5's writing enhancements. It's the best AI for drafting emails, reports, or even creative pieces like poetry. It handles tricky language structures with ease, producing clear and engaging content. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, even said he felt useless when ChatGPT-5 wrote a better email than he could. For those curious about health, ChatGPT-5 is a top choice for health queries. It acts like a thought partner, offering context-aware answers while reminding you to consult professionals. It scored high on health benchmarks, adapting to your knowledge level and location. Safety is a priority too. ChatGPT-5 has advanced safety features, with new training to handle sensitive topics carefully and a robust system to ensure reliability, especially in fields like biology. It's also less likely to be overly agreeable, with sycophantic responses cut down to under 6%. Want a personal touch? ChatGPT-5 offers customizable personalities like cynic, robot, or nerd, letting you tailor how it responds. Plus, it's accessible to everyone, from free users to those on paid plans like Plus or Pro, which unlock unlimited access and advanced features like GPT-5 Pro for complex tasks. Finally, ChatGPT-5 shines in real-world applications. It matches or outperforms human experts in fields like law, logistics, and engineering, making it a valuable tool for professionals. Whether you're an educator creating lessons, a business streamlining operations, or a developer building apps, ChatGPT-5 is here to help. If you're excited to learn more about AI, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more AI adventures.